today I'm going to be showing you guys how to hack any game you want for free. You can even get paid games for free. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google, and then you want to type in PandaHelper. It says it's for Android, but it actually works on iOS as well. It works on iPhones. I've tried it before. I've made several videos about it, and if it doesn't work, just comment down that doesn't work, and then I'll make a different video on how you can hack and get modded games on iPhone as well. So you click on the first one. It's PandaHelper.VIP. So the only good thing about having an Android is that there are only specific games you can get modded and free on iOS, but on Android you can get them all for free. So what you want to do is press download, and then press OK. It's currently downloading. Okay, it's done. So then press open. Do you want to install this application? It does not require any special access. Press install. Now a few slides should come up after. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, greener and safer. PandaHelper provides users with a greener and safer way to download. Paid apps download for free. Massive collection of apps for your Android and download for free. Help you save money. So that's basically saying you can get paid games for free. More modified games for you. PandaHelper provides amazingly modified apps and games. Enjoy. So you can press open app. And there we go. These are all the games you can get for free. No mods at all. Like, you can get paid games for free and you can hack games. So like Minecraft, it's normally costs money, but boom, free. So to show you this works, I'm gonna install a game. I already installed Dream League Soccer because I had this app before, but I'm gonna install let me see. I'm gonna install Sims. So press Sims and then press get. And just press allow. Go to Twitter. I'm gonna press back because we don't really need that. So now it's downloading. If you go out of this and press in the top right, we see this shows it's downloading. Now it's fully downloaded. This should come up. For your own security, okay, what you want to do is go over to settings and then literally go into apps and then click on PandaHelper and permissions, and then press allow from this source. Turn it on, and then you can go back and press install. Okay, so there we go. The app is installing, and I'll be right back after it is done.